Go.
Hi there, Ruth, once again. I got some questions here and there from people that ask me what to do if you want to bring passengers. You have your road loft all good to go, and then here you are, like some people ask me to be their passenger. Well, this is what you can do, because this is all in pieces. So I will actually go to the other side to show you. No, just stay there. What you do? Fold up this bench slash cushion. Put it in the back. Oh, ta-da! Did we tell you about this one? The Jackery solar panel. It's in my list of items to get. This is a must-have. A little sticky. Take it out. Little table. Take it out. And then you're left with this box. And you can lift it out too. So before you do that, you unlatch this little library box. And actually, I'll help it a little bit. I'll help it a little bit, a lot. Here. And there we go. So now you're left with this thing that you can lift, and you can just take it out. So I'll just go and move this one out. Put it on the blanket right here, and then we'll do some. So fall off. That's fine. Down here, sticky mat. Just keep it handy. Library box. Keep it on the side. Table. Put it away. Then, here you go. Floor mat. Put it on the side. And, ta-da! This is what's going to happen. You simply, oops, well, not so simply. You simply unfold your seat, and there you go. So you have right here, have the road loft and a seat, and I'll put the other seat out too. Move this box, move this mat, move this mat, lift this up. Don't want to kill the Jackery. And here you go, 2 seats. We'll tidy up a bit, and then we'll give you a little close-up on what it ends up looking like. So how exciting is that? Thank you.